today, the media supply chain has the opportunity for file transfer throughout, and what that enables is sending much larger quantities of video than they'd be able to ship on physical media, doing it at global distances, and being able to have incredible turnaround times. And so this onslaught of distribution channels of video in particular has been driving this for the last so many years, and our software is used as a tool, if you will, to enable that throughout many of the companies involved in this. All of the major Hollywood studios, major broadcasters and game companies in the U.S. use our software, as well as overseas, and all of the major online sites that consumers may experience video from, such as Netflix, iTunes, Amazon Unbox, Hulu, etc. also use it for that purpose. Today, we license our software to enterprises primarily. It's also licensed through OEM models for embedded use in storage and file systems, and nowadays software service offerings for file exchange. In addition to that, we offer ongoing support for all of our enterprise customers. As far as the company's history, we are self-funded. We decided to do that for independence and autonomy, and it's been a very rewarding experience. Today, we have over 1,000 customers worldwide that use our software, run a profitable business, and also very customer-centric, because we really depend on our customers to validate the technology and also to help us remain viable financially.
So some of your customers use your servers, or some of them just use the technology, or what's the mix?
They're primarily using our end user applications, which are clients and servers for file transfer, as well as a whole management platform. One of the related issues at this kind of scale is the tracking and monitoring is also highly scalable, and requires being able to do that centrally through browser-based interfaces, collecting huge amounts of tracking and status statistics. So all of that software is used as really enterprise software, with the exception of embedded use cases. So many of these companies also have their own tools where they embed the transport to replace FTP, HTTP, etc.
Smaller video producers who deal with these big files, what's the opportunity for them, for smaller companies, for individual filmmakers, for journalists?
Of course. So there's many angles to this. Two emerging areas. First and foremost, our software runs on the cloud, so as an AMI, and can be used for smaller businesses on demand by just spinning up a server and using the same clients. It's also being embedded into software as a service offerings for file exchange, where smaller businesses can use those with the Aspera capability. And then thirdly, we also have licensed offerings of our software that are really priced appropriately for smaller businesses, and they're also at appropriate bandwidths for smaller connections.